Hi, this is Dave, and today we're going to take a look at the flashing on our roof here. This is where a vent pipe for the drains comes up, and there's this metal flashing, and the boot here is made that it is caulked to the pipe, but over time the caulking has gotten old and dried out, so we're going to replace it. Word of caution on being on the roof. If it's steep or very high, you should probably get a professional instead of doing it yourself, because it can be dangerous up here. Ours is flat and fairly only one story, so it's not too bad. And also, if you have clay tile for a roof, stepping on those, it's really easy to break them and cause a lot more damage. So you really should have a professional if you have a clay tile roof. So the first step here is we're going to take a scraper, and we're going to scrape off all the old caulking. And this will take a little bit of time. Just want to be careful. You don't want to damage the pipe or the metal flashing here. And just try and dig out as much as you can.
Was it leaking before?
Yeah, I don't know if it was leaking, but it's definitely got a gap. We have had a couple other things like our chimney that was leaking a little bit, so we're just kind of going through the whole, checking all of them and replacing them. Now we've got all the caulking cleaned off of here, off the pipe and the flashing. We're also going to go down here. There's some screws right here. We're going to get the caulking off of these screws too, so we can replace that. Ours is a metal roof, that's why there's screws. It'll be nails for a shingle roof or a tile roof. You don't want to take the nails or the screws out, just clean off the old caulking. Now we're going to take a little broom and we're going to clean up the area. So now we're going to take a little sandpaper and we're just going to clean up the area a little bit more with the sandpaper. This will give the new caulking something to stick to. We're going to re-caulk it with some Henry wet patch caulking that we got at the local store.
Really, Home Depot?
Yeah, Home Depot. And we just use a caulking gun. We're going to put it right where the two come together.
Okay.
And if there's a big gap, make sure we put plenty in there.
How long does this last?
This is supposed to last like 20 years, but it's good to check it every few years just to make sure everything's okay. Because the house can shift over time, and then with the sun and everything, it's just better to keep an eye on it. So now that we've got it on there, we're going to take this putty knife, and we're going to spread it out, force it down into the gap, but we also want to make it so that it's a smooth transition from the pipe onto the flashing, as good as we can. Doesn't have to be perfect, but that way if water runs down the pipe when it rains, that it'll have a smooth transition onto the roof.
How long does it take for this to dry?
24 hours. But it's watertight right away. That's why it's wet patch. It's made to go on a wet roof. But full dryness is 24 hours. little bit more up front here.
How many of these things do we have? Like normally for a house?
So like for the house, you'll have usually 1 or 2 for every bathroom, unless it's a 2-story house and the bathrooms are on top of each other, then it would just be 1 because they can combine the pipes. And like here, this one's for our kitchen sink. So basically every time you've got a drain, either a toilet or a bathtub or a sink, you'll have one of these. This lets the air get in so that the drain works properly. And then we'll just, on these, just put a little dab on every one. And that's it. And that's how you seal the flashing. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.